Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back again with a best comparison video. Today we're putting two flagship giants head to head, the iPhone 17 Pro Max and the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra. Both are top-tier smartphones in 2025, but they cater to slightly different types of users. Let's compare them across design, display, performance, camera, battery, and overall value, especially for those of you in the US. Starting with design, the iPhone 17 Pro Max features a 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display and Apple's signature premium titanium finish. It's sleek, durable, and screams quality, but also on the heavier side. The Huawei Pura 80 Ultra, on the other hand, has a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display, a bit lighter, with an eye-catching camera module on the back that instantly stands out. Both feel premium, but Apple's build and finish are still hard to beat. Moving to the display, both phones are stunning. The iPhone 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR offers rich colors and exceptional brightness, perfect for content consumption. The Pura 80 Ultra matches that with a 120Hz LTPO OLED screen and insane peak brightness around 3000 nits. For smoother scrolling and gaming, Huawei has the edge, but the iPhone wins for color accuracy and HDR performance. In terms of performance, the iPhone 17 Pro Max runs on Apple's A19 Pro chip, paired with iOS optimization for ultra-smooth performance and long-term support. The Huawei Pura 80 Ultra comes with the Kirin 9020 chip and up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, making it powerful too, but it runs Harmony OS or EMUI, depending on your region. For the US, iPhone offers more consistent performance, app access, and better integration across Apple devices. Now let's talk cameras, arguably the most exciting part. The iPhone 17 Pro Max packs triple 48-megapixel sensors, offering reliable image quality, strong color balance, and world-class video recording. Huawei takes things even further with a 50-megapixel 1-inch main sensor, 50-megapixel telephoto, and 40-megapixel ultra-wide, plus incredible zoom capabilities. If photography is your passion, Huawei offers more flexibility and detail, but for overall consistency in video, iPhone remains king. When it comes to battery, the iPhone 17 Pro Max offers great efficiency, roughly 5,000 milliamp hours, with solid all-day use, while the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra steps up with a 5,700 milliamp hour cell and blazing fast 100-watt wired and 80-watt wireless charging. Huawei definitely wins for charging speed and raw capacity, but Apple's optimization keeps it reliable and long-lasting. For the US market, the iPhone clearly has the advantage. It's widely supported by carriers, integrates perfectly with the Apple ecosystem, and maintains high resale value. The Huawei Pura 80 Ultra may not have full Google support or US carrier compatibility, so keep that in mind if you're based here. Final verdict? If you're deep into the Apple ecosystem, want the best video quality, longest updates, and strongest resale value, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is your best bet. But if you love photography, crave faster charging, and want to try something unique, the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra is an amazing Android alternative. And that's it for today's comparison of the iPhone 17 Pro Max versus the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future tech breakdowns. Drop a comment. Which one would you pick and why? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.